Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan. There again, my people. Big up, respect, manners, is it? Yeah, wishing everyone a happy new year. Best of holidays, is what I say? Yeah, alright. So I have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show inside of a room or inside of a building, as well some people might say. Now, based on some things that a person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that a bartender sleep inside of the room that I can see in the video. The person also mentioned a certain amount of days. And the person also claimed that a certain amount of bottles that I can see in the video contains urine. Viewers and subscribers, this video is somewhat disturbing. I mean, the video shows inside of what I call a messy room. You see? Yeah, the video shows leftover food or stale food and other different type of things. My people, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. Alright? Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? And big up to all of the clean people. Observe.
You see this name here on that wine?
Yeah, this is the bartender room where she staying, alright? Every time bartender say them want nice accommodation, give her a king size bed, with fan and TV, alright? This is the condition of the bartender of the room, Look here, she do 5 days at the bar. 5 days so far she do at the bar, right?
Listen,
1, 2, 3. The next one has to make 5. Yeah. Look at this one. I'll Jonjo in this. Right, and every night the bartender I ask her to sleep. See all her cup soap there? I ask her to sleep, right? This is it. Alright. This now is really shocking. This a 3 bottle of piss this. The bathroom is right here in the building. And this a 3 bottle of piss. Yeah, she pissing at this at night time. She not get up, go out to use the bathroom. She just pissing at 3 bottle like she a prisoner. And the rest of stuff them really disturbing. So I don't even want to put it on the video. You understand? But this is the current situation right now of a bartender. Nice young girl, 20-year-old. She don't look bad. Yeah, any man that see her and take her up and say yes, Living like a prisoner. The place stink, really stink.
So what else could there be that the person don't want to put on the video? I mean, the things that we see in the video look somewhat quite disturbing. So what else could there be? Like, for real? My people, let me know what you think about that video that I presented to you. Yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Or you could say another topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person stole something while the person was inside of a business establishment. I mean, the person was inside the building and somehow the person took something while the person was inside the building, viewers and subscribers. And there was employees for the business establishment inside of the building, not very far away. And somehow the person managed to take something while the person was there. You see me I say? The video shows when the person walked towards a door of the building, viewers and subscribers. I assume that the person walked out of the building. You see? But anyways, based on some things that you're about to see in this video, I would like you to tell me, what do you think the person took while the person was inside of that building, viewers and subscribers? I think I have an idea, but I don't want to jump to no conclusion. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. May I tell you, we live in a world here, some people. So, what do you think that the person took while the person was inside that place? What you see? What does that thing look like? You know? I mean, I don't really want to jump to no conclusion, but, you know, I have an idea what it might be or what it even look like. Well, let me know what you think in the comment section of the video viewers and subscribers, alright? Anyways, on to another topic. Now, I saw an edited video that shows a person who many people call Mutabaruka. And in the edited video, Mutabaruka talk about the drinking of alcohol and smoking. Now, some of the things that Mutabaruka say, and are real, me never know. Sometimes you look on a person and you think a person do certain things, but think again. Now, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some things that Mutabaruka said in the video. Please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say might not be word for word as to how he said certain things in the video. So in the video, Mutabaruka said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he's a Rasta most of his life and he never smoked ganja yet. Never, ever, ever. He said that he don't even know how to roll a spliff. In the start of the video that I saw, he mentioned about animals and eating animals, and he said that him not gonna eat nothing where. Let me try and say this in a very discreet way. Pass wind. Some people that say pass wind or flatulence. Yeah. Basically that is say, nah eat nothing where, you know, do that kind of things. In a part of the video, him said that him don't think that your food supposed to run from you. You see? And he said other things as well. You know? But the more I watch the video is the more me get interested in the things that I say. So in another part of the video, Mutabaruka said some things that gave me the understanding that he said him father never drink and him never smoke. And he's a man who keep dance. He also said that his mother never drink and she never smoke. He also said that him don't know if it is a genetic thing make it never bother him. If he say boy, he might go drink a thing or smoke a thing. Then he also said some things that gave me the understanding that he mentioned the first time he drink alcohol. And based on some things that he said, I got the understanding that he said that was on the night when his mother are married. He said that his mother are married and him go drink some rum punch. And in his words, he said, and believe you me drink the rum punch and knock out. He said some more things in the video that gave me the understanding that he said that and when he wake up, the wedding done. Him say him never vex so much in his life. For no say, he make this thing and knock him out so much that he miss him mother wedding. Him said this, so him said, boy, never again. And he said, that is like when him a 14-year-old, when him say, never again. Him say some more things and then him say, not even bearing drink. That is how him totally against it. Then he says some more things in the same video, viewers and subscribers, which is an edited video, alright? Then in another part of the same edited video, him say, coming up in a Rasta, it even strengthen him more if he say, no smoking, no drink. And him say, him no feel say a Rasta man should be seen smoking cigarette. He also said that a madness, right away, total madness, for a Rasta man to smoke cigarette. He also said the herbs thing now is a thing where we grow up and say most Rasta do. But him say, for him personally now, him say him no see it, say it necessary for really smoke ganja because him a Rasta. And feel say boy because him smoke it, him a go say Rastafari more. Because him say him no see no one no smoke ganja in a Rasta. I see more things than what him a say because him never smoke. And then he went on to say more things in the same edited video, viewers and subscribers. Remember, it's an edited video. See him? Yeah. Now, in another part of the same edited video, he said some more things that gave me the understanding that he said him no see himself start something where he never do in a 50 odd years. Figure say boy because him a rasta, him a go smoke ganja. Or because him feel fun, him need a cigarette. He also said that him see man a mix a cigarette in the herbs. And he said, what kind of madness that? And he went on to say other things as well, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that everything that I said might not be exactly word for word as to how he said certain things. That's what I say. But overall, the things them where Mutabaruka said in the edited video that I saw gave me the understanding that he's against smoking and the drinking of alcohol. Yeah. Me get the understanding say Mutabaruka no with them kind of things. You see me I say? Big him up, you know? Yeah man, big him up. A good example. Yeah man, a good example man. So my people, let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about in this video. Please bear in mind that Mutabaruka said more things in the edited video that I saw, viewers and subscribers, but just point out some of the things them when say when it comes on to the whole drinking and smoking thing. You see me I say? I left it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.